Apple's Vision Pro headset will be available for pre-order today for $3,500. And I just took a demo with the latest version this week. Now, I was able to check out some new experiences like Apple's just announced immersive video format and Disney Plus's new immersive viewing environments. I also got to type on a floating virtual keyboard and pet a dinosaur, and also watch in horror as a butterfly landed on my finger. It was quite the ride, and here are the top 5 things I learned from my experience with Apple's Vision Pro. Firstly, of all the VR and AR headsets I've tried, the Vision Pro has the best navigation system. It's got impressively accurate eye and hand detection, so I can look at stuff and pinch my fingers to navigate the UI. I also really appreciated the feature called Breakthrough, which is one of the Vision Pro's biggest selling points. This is where the system blends the virtual environment with your actual surroundings so that you can see via the headset's cameras obstacles that are in front of you. If you've turned on a beautiful immersive environment like Joshua Tree or the peak of a mountain, you can use the digital crown to toggle just how opaque the scene is. At the maximum, you will only see the setting that you've chosen, and as you turn the dial, you'll let in a bit more of your real environment. Most impressive to me was the fact that even when I had the things set to the most opaque, I could still look towards a person sitting to my left, for example, and the more I focused my gaze on them as I heard them talk, the more distinct their outline became until their entire body just materialized in the virtual environment. Now on the flip side, if you're talking to someone who's wearing the Vision Pro, you'll be able to see through a display on the visor whether they can even see you. If the headset shows their eyes, that means they can see you. If it shows their eyes with some animated bubbles floating around, that's because they've set their environment to a halfway point so that they can sort of see you. If their eyes are obscured by the animation altogether, then they're surrounded by an opaque scene. Also, if they were to take a spatial picture of you with the headset, a flash will indicate that an image has been snapped. I appreciate the transparency, and honestly, no other VR headset has offered this yet. Another feature I didn't quite anticipate a headset would be useful for was meditating. To my surprise, meditating with the Vision Pro was super relaxing. It effectively drowned out all distractions because it's a headset, duh, and played a soothing animation and relaxing music in the background while I laid back on a couch for a minute-long meditation session. It's weird how well a headset works for this specific situation. After a while though, the headset felt really heavy and started to hurt. If you're thinking of buying one, I'd suggest trying it out at an Apple store and exploring all the different straps, seals, and pieces that you can use to fit it to your head. But honestly, even if it's the most comfortable thing in the world, I'm not sure anyone will want to spend all day wearing a headset. Now, there's plenty more things that I liked about the Vision Pro, and for all of those details, please check our hands-on preview over at Engadget.com. Meanwhile, if you've got a headset on or not, you can strap it on and let's meditate.